Your turbo or supercharged engine feels sluggish, and you are hearing strange hissing noises under the hood while the check engine light stares back at you with code P007F. This code specifically points to a problem with the charge air cooler temperature sensor correlation between bank 1 and bank 2. In plain English, your car's computer, known as the PCM, is seeing conflicting temperature readings from the intercoolers on the left and right sides of your engine. This only applies to vehicles with forced induction systems like turbos or superchargers that have dual intake paths. Under normal conditions, the air enters your intake, gets compressed by the turbo, heats up, and then passes through the intercooler to cool down before entering the engine. The charge air temperature, or CAT sensors, measure this air temperature. As the air gets hotter, the electrical resistance in the sensor drops and the voltage signal changes. The PCM uses this data to control boost pressure and fuel delivery. When code P007F triggers, it means the difference in temperature readings between bank 1 and bank 2 is too large to be real. This is a severe issue because it directly affects your fuel mixture and ignition timing, leading to hesitation, rich or lean exhaust, and a significant drop in miles per gallon. The most common causes are a defective sensor, a burst air inlet hose causing a leak, wiring issues, or even a dirty air filter. If you have modified your car with a methanol injection system, that can also throw this code if the computer is not tuned for it. To fix this, you need to start by looking for physical leaks or blockages in the intercooler hoses. If those look good, grab a digital volt-ohm meter. You will need to test the reference voltage at the sensor connector, which should typically be 5 volts. If you have power and ground, you then need to test the signal wire while the engine is running. You might need to rev the engine to see the voltage change. If the sensor does not respond correctly compared to the actual temperature you measure with an infrared thermometer, the sensor is likely dead. However, if the sensor works but the signal does not reach the computer, you are looking at a wiring break. Only after verifying all wires and sensors should you suspect the PCM itself. Ignoring this will keep your vehicle in a low power mode, so tackle it immediately to save your engine and your gas mileage.